kisses the land. Birds fly above me as my toes touch the sand, and my lungs get filled up with salty ocean air. Waves are crashing on the shore, inviting me to swim. Blue, blue water and clear skies. I could stay here for the rest of my life. I feel better in the water. Oh,